X just added a new feature that shows the country or region where an account is based. Want to check where your favorite accounts are from? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see the country or region of any account on X. Now let's get started. To see the country or region where an X user is based, open the X app and go to the Search tab. Type in the name of the account you want to check the location of. Tap their name when it appears in the search results. Then tap where the date the user joined is displayed. This will open the About This Account page. Here you can see when the account was created, the country or region they're based in, whether the account is verified or not, and how many times they've changed their username since creating the account, if any. Repeat these steps to check the location of any other account on X. That's all it takes to check the country or region where a user is based on X. Want to learn more about using X? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.